Hi everyone, my name is Hannah Hairston and this is phase 2 of my Arduino traffic light system for Professor Alisa Tudania's EET411 senior project class. Before I begin the demonstration, I'll go over all the components involved in the system. So there's 4 directions: north, south, east, and west. This also includes green and yellow turn signals in all directions, as well as an LCD in all directions. There is also a crosswalk LCD that is used to display messages for pedestrians, including a 20-second countdown when it is safe to cross the road. Over on this side of the crosswalk, there is a sound sensor as well as a moisture level sensor that is being used more as a water level sensor to detect flash floods. The sound sensor detects emergency vehicles passing. The white indicator light is tied to the sound sensor and will go off when the sound sensor goes off. The same goes for the blue LED here. It will remain on until the moisture level sensor goes off, then the LED will turn off. On the south side of the intersection, there is an ultrasonic sensor that is tied to this red LED. When the ultrasonic sensor detects infrared movement, the red LED will turn on for 20 seconds. When the red LED is lit, the volume up and volume down buttons of the IR remote will be used to control the servo arm going up and down, preventing traffic flow from north to south and south to north. The final component is the matrix keypad used to control the modes of operation. Mode A is daytime, Mode B is nighttime, Mode C is for emergency vehicles passing, and Mode D is for flash flood warning. All of the modes can be changed at any time. So I'll go ahead and upload both the codes. I'm using an Arduino Mega board for the main operation, and for the train I'm using an Arduino Uno. The traffic light system begins with north and south green turn signals saying left turn go, left turn prepare to stop, and then the lights will go green for 15 seconds with a speed limit of 55 miles per hour. Anytime the other directions are red, the LCD is going to say stop, wait. All directions will be red for 2 seconds, and then east and west will begin with the green turn signal. Left turn prepare to stop, and green for 15 seconds. Meanwhile, the LCD for the crosswalk says wait, don't walk. And once all lights go red, it will begin the 20-second countdown for pedestrians to cross the road. This loop serves as mode A, so we'll go ahead and press mode B to operate nighttime mode. In nighttime mode, the yellow turn signal will remain on for the full length of the green light, letting drivers know to yield to oncoming traffic before turning left. This will also go on 5 seconds longer than the green light for daytime mode. And all lights will go red for 2 seconds, and east and west will begin the loop. Once east and west go red, the crosswalk countdown will begin again. And when it hits 0, the nighttime mode loop will start over again. While the emergency mode and the flash flood mode can be activated using the keypad, C for emergency, D for flash flood, they can also be activated using the sound sensor and the moisture level sensor. So I will go ahead and demonstrate those. Notice that the white LED at the bottom of the screen is on, and when the sound sensor goes off, it will go off as well. Okay, the white LED is off, and all 4 directional lights are flashing red, as well as all 5 LCDs displaying emergency vehicle passing. This will go on until the mode is changed, so I'll go ahead and press another character here on the keypad. Press mode B, and we are back in the nighttime mode loop. Now the moisture sensor acts in a similar fashion as the sound sensor does, meaning that when it goes off, the blue LED here will go off as well. And all directional lights will flash yellow, and all LCDs will display flash flood warning. And all yellow lights are flashing. LCDs all say flash flood warning. And to get out of this flash flood warning, we'll just simply press another key on the keypad as we did with the sound sensor. This time we'll go to the daytime mode, mode A. And we're back in the daytime mode loop. The last feature of my traffic light system is the train operations. So when it senses infrared movement, this LED will go high for 20 seconds. It is on. While this LED is lit, the buttons on the IR remote can be used to operate the servo arm. So we'll go ahead and swing it down. And this will stay down until the LED turns off. And once the LED turns off, the servo arm can be swung back up and traffic operations can continue. Just a little side note with the train operation. While the train is passing, the lights will continue operating just as in a regular traffic light system. However, traffic will be prevented from north to south and south to north with the train crossing arm.